Many teams, even ones using Asana, get questions and requests from all different channels, leaving them feeling scattered and letting work slip through the cracks. Instead, you can capture these requests with a form and funnel them into projects like design requests, IT help desk, sales inbox, budget approvals. The possibilities are endless.
To start with the right details and prioritize the request, create a form in the project where you want requests to go. Forms have tons of different fields to capture any detail from deadlines to attachments. You can also tie in custom fields you already have in the project to capture priority, progress, etc. Once you've created your form, share the link with anyone and they can fill it out, even if they don't have an Asana account. Every time a form gets submitted, a task is created in the project for the owner to prioritize or assign.
Most importantly, no more scattered tasks slipping through the cracks.
Get more instructions for building and sharing forms on the guide.